Hello everyone, today we will compare Exodus and Coinbase Wallet, two popular options for storing and managing cryptocurrency. Exodus is known for its user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It offers features like built-in exchange services and portfolio tracking, making it convenient for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, Coinbase Wallet, developed by the popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, focuses on security and accessibility. It allows users to store their own private keys and offer integration with the Coinbase exchange for easy trading. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, security and privacy, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Exodus and Coinbase Wallet, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go to the features comparison. As you can see, when it comes to what type of wallet they are, Exodus is a hot software wallet while Coinbase Wallet is a mobile-based hot wallet. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies, they supported Exodus supported cryptocurrency over 260 plus cryptocurrency, while Coinbase Wallet has various including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So when it comes to user control, Exodus has total control over crypto assets, while Coinbase Wallet stores funds on the device itself. So when we talk about these staking rewards, Exodus, yes, they have for certain assets, while Coinbase Wallet also they have for certain assets, but not available. The staking rewards is not available for business account or assets from vaults. And when we talk about how much trade you can do, so both Exodus and Coinbase Wallet, you can trade as many as you want on both platforms. And when it comes to apps availability, Exodus is available on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, while Coinbase Wallet is only available on Android and iOS. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing. So when it comes to pricing, when it comes to exchange fees, Exodus have variable fees for exchanging cryptocurrencies within the wallet, while Coinbase has no fees for storing or sending, and it may incur network fees. So yes, when we talk about network fees, Exodus have users to pay network fees, and Coinbase also users may be subject to network fees when sending transaction. And when we talk about purchase fees, as you can see, Exodus have no trading fees, while Coinbase Wallet have trading fees ranging from 1.49% to 3.99% of your purchase crypto. So when it comes to value for money, Exodus have not specified their value for money, while Coinbase Wallet is rated highly in terms of value for money. And that's it for the pricing. Now let's go to the security and privacy. And as you can see, when it comes to security philosophy, Exodus have users have a significant role in security and does not hold funds or require personal information. And when it comes to Coinbase Wallet, they act as a custodian with private keys for the wallet, offers advanced security measures. When it comes to private key control, Exodus users have full control over their private keys, while Coinbase has the private keys, but users can choose a separate wallet for autonomy. And when it comes to backup and recovery, Exodus have proprietary backup technology for easy recovery, while Coinbase Wallet have seed phrase backup and biometric authentication. So another security features, which is the user authentication that Exodus doesn't have or not specified in their website, while Coinbase Wallet have biometric authentication for added security. And when it comes to fund security, Exodus integrates with hardware wallets like Trezor for enhanced security, while Coinbase Wallet have enhanced security stores funds on the device itself with additional security layers. When it comes to privacy, Exodus does not require personal information for accounts, and also Coinbase Wallet monitors transactions, so users can opt for separate wallets for more privacy. So now we're done with security and privacy. Let's go to customer support. And as you can see, when it comes to customer support availability, both platform is 24/7 available. And when it comes to the response times, as you can see, Exodus offers quick resolutions for users report, while Coinbase Wallet is not specified how much time they need. And when it comes to support channels, Exodus have email, extensive online help center, while Coinbase Wallet have email, help center, and app browser support. And yeah, that's it for the customer support. And now we're done with all features and pricing comparison. Now let's go to the pros and cons, and let's start with the Exodus. So Exodus, when it comes to pros, they have total control over your crypto assets, and they integrates with Trezor hardware for enhanced security, and people can earn rewards for staking certain cryptocurrency, and they support peer-to-peer or P2P trading and connection to centralized exchanges. And lastly, they offers a user-friendly interface across multiple devices. When it comes to cons, as you can see, they have no phone support for customer service, and people cannot withdraw to fiat currency directly from their wallet, and they have less educational resources compared to some competitors. So that's it. So now let's go to Coinbase Wallet pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, they have user-friendly interface with advanced security features. They have supports decentralized application or DApps. They provides more customer fund security with 98% of asset in cold storage. And lastly, they requires two-step verification for account access, which is very good for security. And when it comes to cons, Coinbase Wallet monitors transaction, which may be a privacy concern for some users, and they have less control over assets as Coinbase act as a custodian. And lastly, they may not support as many cryptocurrencies as Exodus. So yeah, that's it for the pros and cons. Now we're done discussing it. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you, and let's start by discussing who should choose Exodus. And as you can see, Exodus is preferable for someone who prefer a non-custodial wallet where they have full control over their private keys and crypto assets. Someone who value user-friendly interface across multiple devices, including desktop and mobile platforms. Someone who are interested in staking and earning rewards on their cryptocurrency holdings. Someone who want to connect to hardware wallets like Trezor or for enhanced security. And lastly, someone who are leaving major exchanges but still want an easy access to their asset without the need for an intermediary. So if you have all of these qualities, I recommend you that you choose Exodus rather than Coinbase. So now we are done. Let's go to who should choose Coinbase Wallet. And as you can see, Coinbase Wallet is preferable for someone who have mobile or browser-based wallet for managing their crypto asset. Someone who want to easy access to exchange and decentralized application or DApps, including staking tools and NFT marketplaces. Someone who are looking for a large selection of supported cryptocurrency and want to store various digital assets in one place. Someone who would like to transfer assets easily from Coinbase Exchange to their wallet. Someone who are interested in Web3 functionality such as buying, trading, and earning rewards on cryptocurrency and NFTs without leaving the wallet environment. And lastly, someone who prefer a simple but functional wallet that is easy to use, especially for beginners. So if you have all of these qualities, I prefer that you choose Coinbase Wallet rather than Exodus. So yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, as you can see, both Exodus and Coinbase Wallet offer unique features that cater to different user needs. So Exodus stands out for its wide range of supported cryptocurrency and strong integration of hardware wallets, making it ideal for users who prioritize control and security. And on the other hand, Coinbase Wallet shines with its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the centralized application, and it's perfect for those who are new to crypto space or looking for convenience. So your choice between Exodus and Coinbase Wallet should align with your personal preferences, whether it's for enhanced security, ease of use, or the variety of supported assets. And remember, the right wallet for you is the one that fits your investment strategy, security comfort level, and finally, user experience preference. So yeah, with that being said, the comparison is over and the only question left is what platform will you choose? That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.